Garbage disposal quick fix. Disposal not turning on? Or hear a hum but no spin? It's jammed. Unplug the disposal or turn power off at the breaker. Insert an Allen wrench into the small hex hole on the bottom of the unit. Turn it back and forth to free up any debris. Use pliers or tongs to remove any blockage. Plug the disposal back in the outlet. Press the reset button and give it a try. If it still won't run, submit a task through your resident portal.